Morgan.
And together we are
the MJ Crew.
Today we're going to be reading negative comments. You guys been harsh.
You guys have been very mean. No, not you guys. You guys are good.
Very supportive. I love you guys. But some people in this world have been cruel.
Very harsh. So we are going to be reading some of their comments. Not even all of them. I got tired of reading through them and screenshotting. So you're gonna get quite a few, but I'm human. So reading stuff like that is kind of like, dang, you know?
Me personally, like when it comes to dealing with negative comments online, I just tend to like not pay attention to them because like at the end of the day, I don't know who you are, and at the end of the day, you're commenting on my post, so it's like I don't care. But some people don't like handle that the same way, and I grew up with tough skin too as well. So it's like, you know, we're doing this video for people that aren't as mentally strong enough to be able to handle some of these comments, because some of these comments, man, be cruel.
And I'm not even reading some of the worst ones. Like, I'm not even gonna read some of the worst ones, but
like cruel, y'all.
It's just to me, you don't know me, you don't know him, you don't know us. So what can you really say? And commenting on somebody's life or preference or whatever will always be weird behavior to me. So why would I let somebody that I wouldn't take advice from, why would I take criticism from you? But it still hurts. I'm still human, you know what I mean? Like,
about to go and get into which comments were the meanest. Y'all been trying to drag us through the mud for the past couple days, man. If y'all did not know, we actually started an Instagram post or Instagram, Moandjabriel. So go make sure y'all follow us on that Instagram. It's our couples page together, and we made a video and it got like 1.9.
No, it's at 2.5 now.
2.5 million views on Instagram. We started at like 400 followers, and then now
it was at 390 something.
And now it's at like,
we're at 3,800.
Yeah, so it's up there.
It's climbing fast.
I'm about to read some of these negative comments that y'all been commenting.
This, like I said, is not even all of them, but we gonna read some of them to you. The first one is, she will be on the vlogs soon, and he will be the worst black man on earth. He was a messed up individual, or she killed him in self-defense, and he was the aggressor. She has the video. That's the first one.
I don't really get that though.
Like, I guess they're trying to say that
I'm gonna kill you.
that I'm gonna try to pin something on you so it looks like you're so bad.
Wow.
So.
You gonna pin something on me?
Whatever. No. Like, I don't even think like this. And I think the thing that hurts me the most with these comments is I don't even think like this.
How do you, like, where do you get that from? Like, out of a video of us showing and expressing love to each other, where do you get she's gonna pin a murder or something?
Like, the worst thing y'all can say about this video is my drawstring ponytail, okay? Because I was having a bad hair day that day and I needed something, okay? So I get it. Like, y'all can talk trash about that trashy pinning ponytail all you want. I get it, okay? But that's the worst thing about that video.
Alright, let's read the next one.
The next one says, GoPro, get yourself a white woman, must be in their contract.
Dang, so now we sign a contract for millions and white women?
It's a must. It's like number one on the contract. Like,
why
the first bullet
Why can't it be like, you know what I'm saying, I love her, we're happy together. Like, why can't it be that? Like,
haters gonna hate.
I don't know how, like, where you guys get y'all thought process from to just comment these on this post. And this is public, y'all. Like, these are public comments.
Yes.
Like, anybody can go see these. Like, my mom can click on this post and just scroll down and look at all these comments that y'all saying.
But in my opinion, hurt people, and misery loves company. And that's one thing I have to tell myself. You know what I mean? Like, don't let it hurt you too bad, because these are just hurt people who want to see other people hurt too.
I just be looking at this like, y'all really said it.
And it is hard, and like, I try to skip over the negative comments, but at the same time, it's like, I want to respond to and give the credit to the people who support us. I want them to know, like, hey, we appreciate you, because they're the ones that hold us up, you know? So I don't want to just ignore everybody and not read comments.
Y'all are the glue.
Next one is, she's trying too hard. She's definitely after his money. We're going to post, also, he's going to add into this little vlog the video they're commenting on. So y'all are going to, because I know us just reading the comments, y'all are probably like, what are they
talking about?
Like, and then when y'all see the video, you're going to be like,
what?
How did they get that from that? I don't know, but I'm trying too hard, I assume, so I barely be trying. I be showing up there looking busted. Oh, another comment said that too, I be busted. They were dragging me through the mud, boy, ooh, and was not letting me up for air. And then the next one said, they on camera, that's why they doing all that extra stuff.
Oh my God.
Oh,
I love you so much.
I love you. Is this the recording? Okay.
Okay, yeah. Let's do the handshake.
Okay.
Do it for the camera. She gonna do it all for the camera.
Oh. He is not media trained, y'all. I asked him when we got them teas at Shake Shack. I said, babe, can we trade on like my? He said no. Like, he is not media trained.
Hey, but it's all good though. We appreciate y'all.
Yes. It's all good.
We love the MJ crew.
Y'all give us a laugh. I mean, at the end of the day, we sit here and like, we got each other's shit. We ain't gonna let what y'all got going on come in between what we got going on, clearly. But anyways, and then the next one says she marking her territory.
Uh-oh. She lifting the leg up on me.
That means, that's what you want to call it. No, I'm kidding. Let's see what's next. All she wants is no. Oh, this is another one. They all just want pretty black babies. That's really it.
Light-skinned babies with the blue eyes.
I actually never even wanted kids until I met him. And not even talking about my hair. I ain't got no hair. I got about 2 scoops of hair on my head.
Kids, if y'all seeing this in the future, just know we love y'all dearly.
And your plans. You weren't no accident.
No accidental babies. I'm pretty sure I was an accident.
We both were accidents.
I don't think my mom would play.
Mine either. But she loves me now. That's all that matters.
Yeah, for sure. If my mama could give me up for adoption, I mean, clearly she didn't want to give me up for adoption, but
I would have adopted you.
My grandma adopted me.
Oh, we love you.
We love you, grandma.
Yeah.
I love you too, mama. I know you love me.
Oh, the next one, this was funny to me. It says she gonna try and answer that draft phone too.
Man, well, as soon as it rains, right? I'm gonna have it right here. I'm gonna be like this.
Hello, Miss Robinson. Oh.
This is my phone?
I thought that was my job. They said I have to answer the draft phone.
We getting drafted.
I don't know. Yeah, that's what they don't know. No.
Hey, if I get drafted, I don't even care if she picked my phone up. I'm gonna be hopping around the room, like doing my little chicken feet dance, all that. We get drafted, I put that work in most definitely, you know what I'm saying? I'm just hoping for a tryout. That's all I need.
What they don't know is anytime he picks up his phone, I close my eyes. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it.
I haven't seen that video. They like, who's texting us?
Oh, they gonna be on me for that one now too. No, I'm kidding. But oh, this one. It says she gonna break his heart one day. He had too much love in his eyes. Women are experts with this.
Not the love in your eyes.
But when a man look at you like that beep is real. Well, buddy, you got the last part right. That beep is real. It is real. Oh. Do I look like I have love in my eyes too?
No, it looks like you just tried to take my money.
I know. I mean, if y'all want me to be honest, I'm just in it for the money. He loaded. He loaded.
I be giving her my money, man. I just be like, here.
Yeah, he ain't got no choice. I make him.
Take it, baby. Take it.
He's my territory. I don't even work. I sit at home. I don't clean.
Don't clean.
I don't do nothing. I'm a busted, fridge-built looking female that takes all his money.
And I'm just some rich, got it all athlete that's about to get drafted.
Yeah, and I made him be with me. I made him.
Hey, I'm really gonna get drafted though. I don't care what no haters say, no critics. Somebody said, you screenshot the one they talk about only had 1 tackle.
No, I didn't.
Bro, they tried me, bro. They really tried me. I got 97 career tackles in my career of college football.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yeah, go Google me. And go Google my stats.
Go Google me.
See
and if you don't go to the draft, guess what?
Shout out Johnson C. Smith, man. What?
You gonna have to find somebody else because I'm gonna be coming.
I know. Ain't nothing new. Next comment.
The next one says, it's all good. Oh, this one read my mind because I just said this. It's all good until it's not, and you're not cutting that check. You ain't cutting that check, you ain't cutting it. Period.
She ain't the only one. As you can see, she is the only one. Because there's only me and her right here. Right
For now.
In this moment.
In this moment.
In this moment.
The house.
Right here, right now.
No.
Got him. When the money's gone, she's gone. And then after that, he'll be trying to come back home. Where am I coming
Out of here. I'm gone.
Where am I coming home to? Like, where is home?
I thought I was home.
Charlotte?
I thought I was home.
Y'all know where I live? Alright, listen to this one. This one just takes me
Oh,
out.
this one's so funny.
Because it's like, what? Like, what?
Like, dang, I know I can't get no tan, but
Alright,
shit.
so this dude, whoever, he was going ham too. I seen like multiple comments of him. He said, after all them pale MFs put our ancestors through and the things we as black folks are going through today, we still want to swirl with them folks. And by them folks, he meant, yeah, hit them folks. I mean, honestly, bro, I'm just gonna I'm gonna keep it a band with you, bro. Martin Luther King had a dream, and because of that dream that he fought for, I'm able to sit right here and make beautiful videos with the girl that I love. So,
love is love. Love has no color. Like,
it doesn't, man, and that's what we trying to like. That's what's wrong with society now. You know, like, we as Americans and people in general just need to learn how to love each other. Like, and if we all can love each other unconditionally, this world will be a way better place. But until we learn how to do that, we're gonna be dealing with stuff like this.
God says in the end that everyone will unite. Everyone will speak the same language. Everybody will, all cultures and everything is going to unite. So it's like, all these people, it's so funny because half these people on their profiles, in their bios, a Bible verse or Jesus first, but it's like then you come and you comment stuff like this.
It's like, are you actually living the right way?
Right, and
but we ain't here to preach. So
he knows I'm gonna sit here and talk, so he's trying to interrupt me.
Nah, we just gonna hit them folks. She is securing her moneymaker. What a disgrace for black people. This MO failed.
This mofo.
Mofo. He failed.
You're a failure.
I'm a failure. I went to college.
This boy, 24 years old, getting his master's degree, and he's a full-time athlete, doing them both at the same time. Me? Me? I'm proud of you.
I graduated from high school.
Went to college. Went to college again.
I failed.
You're 24 years old getting your master's degree.
I failed.
You're not a failure.
I'm not.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Welcome. You make me proud.
But those are some of the mean comments that we've read. And you guys, as you can see, some of these people are harsh. Like, very harsh. Y'all gotta do better, man. But MJ Crew, we love y'all because we know y'all rocking with us. And everybody that's been rocking with us since day one, man, we love y'all. And we love the support y'all been giving us. We got to 1,500 subscribers. We reached our goal. We look forward to, you know, what's to come in the future. Because, you know, we're really doing this for y'all. Like, we're bringing y'all into our lives. Like, you know, take for granted. You know, we're getting a lot of backlash, as you can see. But, you know, at the end of the day, man,
you can't let the outside world, especially people who don't know you.
Exactly.
And don't know what you've got going on, you can't let them ruin what you have at home.
And my thing is like, for people that aren't able to really deal with the consequences of being an influencer or whatever you want to do in life, like there's gonna be people that have a perspective or people that comment on things that you do, and at the end of the day, just don't let them determine how you feel or throw your day off or anything, man, because at the end of the day, they don't know you, and at the end of the day, you determine who you are. You know, you write the story and the narrative to your own story. So be that light to shine, and you know what I'm saying, stop downing people and support people, man. Like, and then at the end of the day, another thing I'm saying at the end of the day a lot, but love is love, and don't ever get away from that. Love who you want to love, and don't let nobody determine who you love, okay?
At the end of the day, you're not pizza. You can't wake up and please everybody.
Ooh.
There's always gonna be somebody who don't like you.
I love pizza.
I love pizza too. But not everybody. We got them lactose intolerant people out there that can't eat it, and you know they don't like it. So you can't please everybody. Even pizza can't please everybody. Come on.
Alright, but love you guys. Shout out. Stay tuned for the game vlog.